Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another episode of Shifted State. Today, we just got something really good in the mail, and I want to show it to you. Let's check it out. So welcome back, guys. Right behind me, I have my 2021 Harley Davidson Road Kings special in that beautiful Deadwood green. And as some of you may know, I nicknamed it the Warbird. The reason I nicknamed it the Warbird is because I like those old vintage World War II bomber planes, and I feel like this bike right behind me gives it that look. I've done a couple of things to this bike so far. I have the Harley Davidson Empire collection I put on here. I went and got a wrap fender from Harley Davidson, slapped that on there too. I got the Vance & Hines Torquer 450s thrown on the back, looking real good, and a couple other little things, accent pieces that I've thrown on there. But today what we're talking about is I ordered something special for the bike, and that was to replace or change up the airbox cover, and I wanted to do something special and put that Warbird name on here. I ended up looking around online and ended up finding something good in the good old place of Instagram, and that was CM Moto Shop. Found those guys, and they make custom trim pieces for my Road King special back here. And like I said, a couple weeks ago, I went ahead and I placed that order. It actually only took about 2 weeks for it to get here from ordering it, then making it, getting it shipped. As I was saying, we're taking the air filter trim piece off and we're gonna replace it with something new. And like I said, that came in the mail today. So once again, that's CM Moto Shop. These guys hooked me up with this piece right here. Just so we know, this is a unbiased review. I did pay for this myself. I'm not sponsored in any way by these guys. They didn't, just give this to me for free. So I did pay for this. This is gonna be my honest review, opening this up and checking it out. So, let's see what we got. All right. Good packaging, nice little slip. And that's what we got right there, guys. And this piece right here is gonna be replacing my air filter trim piece. So I'm gonna take that one off and put this one on. What do you guys think? All right, so once again, this is the piece right here. It seems to be made out of a like a hard piece of plastic, maybe like hard acrylic or something like that. I believe it's to be like well engraved. Keep in mind that they don't just make these for the Harley Davidson Road King special over here. They make them for other models also. Just go over to their website or Instagram page and check it out. But this job right here, pretty easy job. We're just gonna remove this screw here and this screw here, take this old trim cover piece off, slap this one on. And to do that job, you're gonna take your 1/8 Allen key here. Now with the old one removed, the new one can go on. So what I'm going to do is I just snug it just enough so I can still move this piece around to get it centered. Because you can still see a little bit of the outline of where they set the screw hole. So you just want to line that up. And then when you have it in place, lock it down. So tell me what you think. I think it looks pretty good. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it like all black like this or maybe look into getting it painted. Maybe to color match the bike here. But I'm gonna ride around with it a little bit like this. I like it, it looks good. CM Moto Shop, you guys did a really good job. thank you for making this for me. And if you guys at home are looking for that custom piece for your bike, I suggest you check these guys out. One more thing before we go, guys. I'm working with my friend Eric over at Stiff Cock Chop Shop. He makes custom rat rods and stuff like that. He's actually fabricating me a custom center console piece. If you know anything about the Road Kings here, Harley sends them from the factory with this cheap piece of 10 metal that goes right here. It's ugly in my opinion, so I ripped mine off. Now I got a nice solid black console, but he's actually taking the one I tore off and he's gonna make a template with that one and fabricate me a new custom like metal piece to go there. And I'm gonna try to get a color match to the bike here. So then this piece right here will be nice and green in the middle. And then I'm gonna try to get like something cool, maybe just put like Warbird on the middle of it or something like that. But hopefully next episode we can check that out. But other than that, guys, love y'all, ride safe, and I'll catch you next time. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. But other than that, guys, love y'all. Y'all ride safe. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Give me a like. I'll catch you next time.